Hey team, sorry I was late to the party. Here is my slide. Oh. That is me. Sorry, I have my sunglasses on and I don't get to take a lot of pictures without my little babes anymore. But there is me. Two little kids, Jackson, my son, Mackenzie, my daughter. My awesome husband. We are about to be married a year as of September 7th. Very exciting. He's the best dad, and I'm so glad to have him by my side every day. There's Carl pictured there. I have another cat named Emily, two dogs, Jack and Cash. They're both labs. And then also we just had a rooster adopt us, and that is Harry Houdini. I've been working at the Boise St. Luke's sterile processing department for the last 2 years. There is most of the team there. It's an awesome job. It just had led me into finding out what I was really passionate about, and that's surgery. So becoming a scrub tech is what my end goal is by just starting out in school at almost the age of 30. All right, there you go. Thanks, ladies. Enjoy.